Dora cake.
You are making Dora cake?
Yeah.
With whom?
You.
Okay, so let's go in the kitchen. Hey guys, welcome back to Mansons, and today we are going to make Dora cakes, the yummy Doraemon's favorite cakes. They are really spongy. So let's get started.
For this recipe we need 1 cup maida, half cup powder sugar, 1/4 cup milk powder, 3/4 cup milk, 1 tsp vanilla essence, half tsp baking soda and 1 tsp honey. So let's get started.
So we need to make our batter of Dora cakes. So let's add maida. Then we'll add powdered sugar. Then milk powder. Then add milk powder. Now add baking soda. Ayan, the next ingredient is vanilla powder, okay?
Okay.
So let's add it. So let's add vanilla powder. Now mix it well. Now let's add milk. Now mix it well.
Add it. 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 Let's add honey.
And then we will mix it well. Now let's make some Dora cakes.
Here I have heat up the pan and now sprinkle some water and wipe it off with tissue paper so that the temperature of the pan will lower. Now start to make our Dora cake. Here I have 1/4 cup measure and I am going to pour batter from this. Okay, just pour batter at one place. Let's make another Dora cake. Cook these Dora cakes on lower flame. See, bubbles are forming on the top. Now it's time to flip our Dora cakes. So slowly start with loosening its edges. Wow, look at the color. So cook from this side also for 1 minute. See from other side too. Now let's make another batch.
Now our Dora cakes are ready. So to make it more yummy, we are going to add Nutella in each Dora cake, and then it's all ready and delicious. Now let's add chocolate spread. We are using Nutella. You can use any other chocolate spread. Spread it out like this. it's going to be really yummy. Then add the second layer, and our first Dora cake is all ready. We'll do it with all of our batches, and then it's ready to serve. Or you can serve it without chocolate spread also. Look at the texture. Wow, looks so spongy. And now we're going to eat it.